beautiful lady. Now you're turning to lady na. Pero ngayon, feeling ko sa'yo, alam kong strong ka kasi even though madaming, alam mo na, andito pa rin kami para sa'yo. Even though may ibang hindi nakakilala sa'yo, alam mo na nandito kami na magdubos na nakakilala sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka namin and we are always here for you. Just keep that in your mind, okay?
Hi Zainab, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Stay pretty and stay who you are. Thank you for inviting me and thank you for being such a good friend.
With your eyes closed.
Si Zainab ay siya yung pinakamabait na kapatid. Lahat ng gusto ko binibigay niya. Pagkakalala namin kay Zainab,
Mapagbigay siya.
madali siyang lapitan. Happy birthday, Zainab! Wish namin sa'yo more blessings to come. Tsaka, huwag ka magbabago. Stay pretty and sexy.
We'll watch the light fading until we convey a sense of excitement. Come of age is time to be used, not enough being you, you're alive. So root yourself up, self-doubt. Tonight we'll go out and end where we started.
Since it's your day, I'm wishing you 18 times to be continue your success.
Oh my God, nasa legal age ka na. So, ayun. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is, maging masaya ka lang palagi. Tapos kung sino ka man ngayon, sana hindi ka magbago.
Happy 18th birthday! Mahal ka namin lahat. So, wish you all the best. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come.
For my favorite daughter and my sweetheart, Sisi, I wish her all the best. Wish her all the successful more and more and more. I'm too proud of you, Sisi. I'm too proud of all of you, Wissam. And have a wonderful life. God bless.